I bought something for my PC which you actually don't need, and it makes totally no sense to install it in my PC. That's why I called it. It's an RGBIC equalizer. And the idea behind that is I install it inside my PC. This thing has a microphone, and if my fans go up and down, we should actually have a little, these equalizer bars should show us if the fans are loud and not. Does it make sense? Absolutely not. That's why I bought it. Alrighty, so that's what we had in the box. It's the equalizer bar itself. As you can see here, it has a USB, oh, wrong side, a USB connection. And then it has an on-off switch, a dimmer, and a switch where we can select the color and then the mode. Then it comes with a little stand. I guess one can put it in like something like so. Then it comes with a USB cable, and then it comes with some, yeah, I think double-sided stickers, and with a tiny manual. Okay, alrighty, I actually pre-charged it already. And then you see the lights here, and it comes with different modes. Let's just change the mode real quick here. Another mode. I talk. I don't talk. And that's actually the idea. As I said, it's totally unnecessary, but it gives me the idea how loud my fans are. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. And you see the different modes. You can actually change how the equalizer itself works. Maybe I'll take this setting. Alrighty, now we have installed the equalizer gauge here. And other than my temperature gauge, which you see here, this one actually doesn't make really sense, except if I would be quiet and the fans would spin off, we would actually see that the equalizer goes up and down, and I can show you if I'm just shutting my mouse. So that's what you see now. If the fans, I'm going to be quiet in a few seconds. If the fan, you hear the sound of the fans, or better, it kind of shows you visually the fan, the noise. And you see this red bar here that tells you the loudest it has gotten, and then it drops down. Now I should say there are several different modes available where you could have the bars going from the middle to the top. That maybe looks better, but I've chosen the classic equalizer mode. So again, that is one of the most unnecessary parts you can put into your PC. It was $2.99 and I thought, well, what the heck, I'll get it. As I said, it comes with a little manual. So here, oh, it actually says it can also work with Bluetooth. Oh, that's interesting. So we're going to try that out. That's maybe helpful, so we can adjust the settings on the fly. That's cool, because I don't want to open the case all the time. And on the back side, you see, even if you do not connect it with Bluetooth, you actually have all the functions here. Okay, it's hard to show how should I say, filming. I cannot film the same time where I'm working with the app, but you're gonna see the app somewhere here, and I can confirm the app works fine. You do not have to do anything. That's the cool thing. Not even going to the Bluetooth settings. You install the app and it connects right away. For a $2.99 device, I have to say that's kind of pretty cool. And of course, that's not meant for a PC. You can use it for your stereo. If you're keen, you can put it in your car, like where you have your feet. If you want to have some lights going to the music, or just in your room next to your smart speaker, whatever. But I just thought for $2.99, I'm just gonna test it with my PC just for fun. And yeah, that's it.